channel. In today's video, I have a Louis Vuitton reveal. It's not exactly a haul because I've used at least one of these items, but it is going to be a reveal. So if you'd like to see what 2 new things I've added to my collection, please keep watching. Okay, so first I want to talk a little about why I got these 2 items, because when you see them, you're probably, well, one is totally like up my alley in terms of style, but the other one is so different. So the first bag that I got, both of these are pre-owned by the way. The first one that I got, I have just been feeling like I need a new small, like an actual mini bag, but that's structured. The one I want is the Louis Vuitton Alma, but I just don't want to pay that much for that bag because there's nothing super special about it. I just love the Alma BB and Damier Ebene, but when I saw this bag, I want to say I saw someone on Instagram with it, and it was so cute. It was so different. I hadn't seen anybody else with the bag before. I did some internet searches, some Googling, some Instagram searching, and I saw that the actual colorway that I wanted was discontinued, so I had to go on the pre-loved market. Now, this is a bag that I wouldn't mind buying brand new, but it was also really expensive, and you guys know if you've watched any of my pre-owned videos that if I can get it pre-owned and save a good chunk of money, I will do that. I don't really see a problem with buying pre-owned. I know that everybody is not into that though, so do your thing, but I love shopping pre-owned. So the first bag that I got is something that you probably may not even have seen a lot of, but it is the Louis Vuitton Vernis Spring Street bag. Now, this is in a colorway that was discontinued, I believe. This is the like metallic gray with the yellow. What's so interesting about this bag, which I thought was just so amazing, and that's why I really wanted it, was that it has 3 different leathers and canvas combinations. So you have your monogram on the strap, you have your Vernis leather on the front and back, and on the sides and the bottom, oh no, the bottom is monogram, but the sides are this beautiful yellow epi. And I just thought this bag was so interesting. You guys know I tend to wear a lot of all black, and so I've really just been wanting a nice pop of color, but something that's a little more versatile than just like I can only wear with fancier outfits, or I can only wear with casual outfits. And this really caught my eye. I also love how it has these 2 little luggage tags in the front. Now, if you've seen this bag before, this is actually a redesign of the Louis Vuitton Spring Street bag that was out years and years ago. So they have remodeled it. I want to say, I know the sides are different. I think the shape is a little more structured, but they've definitely added these different elements on this bag, and I think it just makes it really interesting. Now, if you know anything about the newer version of this bag, I'm not sure if this is how the older version is, but if you know anything about this newer version, it comes with a shoulder strap. And I was unsure of how I felt about the shoulder strap just because the strap seemed a little thick. Like, I've never seen the strap in person, and we're gonna get into that, but it seemed that it was thicker than the Pochette Métis strap, which is like the perfect thickness, I guess, width. So I thought the strap was a little weird, but the thing is, when I found the listing for this bag, it didn't come with the strap. So I was able to get this bag on a great deal because it did not have the strap. Now, for me, because I didn't want the strap necessarily, that was not a problem. The great thing about Louis Vuitton is if you take this to a store and you say that you're missing a piece of it, all they're gonna do is verify that it's authentic, I believe, because I've never purchased spare parts, and they'll order you a spare part. So if I ever wanted that monogram and yellow strap, because that's what the strap looks like, if I ever wanted that in the future, I could totally go get it. But I love carrying her as a little dainty handbag, and this bag is actually full right now. I will be doing a full review on it, but it's full right now because I used it this past weekend, and I absolutely love it. It's so fun. It's actually a lot larger than a lot of my smaller like mini bags, and I don't know, it's just so different. When you wear this, people are gonna like pay attention, because if you just glance at it and you don't know the style, you're not gonna think it's Louis Vuitton. But it's just so interesting. So I really love this little one. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. So far, I can't get these to like stay. But so far I'm loving this little bag. I will definitely do an updated review. You guys will see her in outfit of the days and styling videos because I'm obsessed. It hasn't taken the place of my yearn for the Alma BB, but definitely something just a little more interesting. I mean, I could even wear it with what I'm wearing today. She just makes me smile. So that's the first one I got, and that was pre-owned. The second bag is actually from the men's line, and I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm gonna be doing a lot more traveling this year. I'm taking a job in another city for part of the year, and I'm just gonna be traveling a lot more. And last year when I was traveling, I took a backpack on my trip to Punta Cana, and it was so amazing breezing through the airport with a backpack. I don't know, I'm usually a tote style girl, but having a backpack made life so much easier. So I definitely knew that I wanted a backpack. Now, one of my girls on YouTube, her name is Kelly, I will link her channel down below. She has the Palm Springs MM backpack, I believe. I actually do like that bag. I'm not the biggest fan of the shape of it, and I think it's honestly like a little too small. I don't know if she has the PM or the MM, but I wasn't exactly in love with that. The older Louis Vuitton style backpacks, they had too much of a cheddar. Then I have another friend who has a Louis Vuitton James backpack, I believe. It's another one from the men's line, but he has like the matching keep-all. It's either the, I think it's the Josh, and he always talks about how he loves his backpack, but it's so small. It literally looks like a child's backpack just because it's very narrow in terms of the width. So I started perusing the website and I found out about this backpack, and this is what I was able to get. This is the Louis Vuitton, I want to say it's called the Discovery backpack, and it is in the monogram Eclipse. So it's in this like graphite and black Louis Vuitton monogram print. I love this backpack so much. I haven't used it just yet. By the time you guys see this video, I might have. The straps are so comfortable. It fits so much. If you look at it from the side, it's really wide, so I liked that. And I don't know, I just like it. It's a little more muted than your typical monogram Louis Vuitton, so that's nice. It goes great with my carry-on luggage because it's black. And yeah, I just love this piece. Now, this is in excellent condition. I don't know if the person even used this bag at all. I actually got this from a consignment shop out of town, and I was actually so surprised to see it there because I don't think I've ever seen this backpack in real life. Not that I see lots of Louis Vuitton backpacks, but I didn't know about this bag until I actually went hunting on the Louis Vuitton website. But yeah, this is called the Discovery. I believe it's the Discovery PM. It has a slip pocket in the front, then it has a zip pocket, and then it has two zips on the top, and this is what it looks like inside. I mean, you're not going to be able to see it, and then the dust bag is inside. The leather, not the leather, the canvas is really thick, which is nice because with a lot of the newer Louis Vuitton bags, the canvas is so thin, but I guess since this is made for travel, they made it a little sturdier though. This is going to be perfect for all my traveling needs this year. All the time I'm gonna spend in the airport and all that. This is just perfect. So yeah, it's definitely a men's line item, but I don't think it looks too masculine. I don't know, even if it does, that's okay. I specifically got this piece for travel and it's in great condition. Like, I see some wear on the back of the straps, but that's because it's fabric. But other than that, it looks really nice. It has some superficial scratches, but nothing too crazy. And the good thing, like I said earlier, not only can you get spare parts for Louis Vuitton products, but you can also get them fixed at the store. So I love my new backpack. I'm obsessed with it. I'm not going to insert any mod shots in this video just because this is a reveal, but if you guys would like reviews on these products, I can definitely do one with some mod shots. So yeah, those are the two items. Those are the things that I got myself for Christmas. I was really like itching for some Louis Vuitton. I think it's been a while since I've bought Louis Vuitton. I just really haven't been too into the new styles. But when I saw that Spring Street bag, I was like in love. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.